What up? It's your girl Matt, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm a full-time reseller, and I thrift for profit. Let me show you what I got at the Goodwill outlet today. And the Goodwill outlet is pay per pound. Check out my other videos if you're interested in this. I do this bi-weekly pretty much. I do my reseller hauls all the time because I want to show you what I'm selling, how I sell it. If you have any questions, comments, or concerns, drop it into the comment section and I'll do my best to respond to them. Okay, so we spent $67 at the Goodwill outlet today. I went to my local Goodwill outlet, and how many pounds was it? It was a total of 32 pounds. So it's $1.97 a pound, and let's get to it. Starting with the football that we didn't need. If you watch any of my other videos, Kendra buys balls. Like, it's her job. And we also got a BMX bike seat. Couldn't find this anywhere. She says somehow these are selling for $40, but this thing is hard as shit. I wouldn't want to sit on this, but conductor seat. I got myself a new car shade from Natural Life. I didn't even open it. It says, live happy. Most of these have a lot of hats. I got this Adidas hat, and most of the hats always need a cleaning from the bins because the bins is like the third and fourth hand store. Hard Rock Cafe should make like $10 off of that. Obey hat used to be one of my favorite brands growing up in the early 2000s. Kind of a good streetwear brand. This is an Odd Future hat. Definitely needs it clean. Was a loved hat. Budweiser vintage hat. Sold one for $40 a few months ago. We got Damp Rid. That's for the house. Everybody needs Damp Rid, especially if you live in South Florida. This is for my nephew. He loves music. Who doesn't like music? This is a Herschel backpack. Now, it's not in perfect condition, but this is a pretty nice backpack. Even came with a free carabiner. I don't know what I'll get for this. Maybe $30. It has a little bit of wear to it. Great brand. I sold the midi version, brand new, for $40 on Poshmark maybe like less than a year ago. So sold two of them. That's a great brand. So weird. I found that backpack and then I found this mini Herschel. This is like just a repurposing case. It really goes in a binder, I would assume, because it has 3 rings, but little palm tree, and it's new with tags. So got a little sport sack bag. I think this is really for traveling. I didn't even look up comps for this. It just has so many pockets. It is dirty, so I'm going to attempt to clean it, but this would be great to travel. Literally bunch of tiny compartments. Le Sport Sac, loved this brand also when I was growing up. Kendra picked up this iPad case. I did get the chair seat protectors. Set of 2. These are going for some weird prices between like $10 and $20, but they were $10 originally. Kendra also found this Lily Bloom bag. Looks like Lily Pulitzer and Brighton had a baby, and that's what this bag is. These are running between $15 and $20 on eBay and Poshmark. So found a pair of All Saints slide-in sneakers. I've been trying not to buy shoes because they just take up a lot of room to store, and I'm getting tired of it. They move slow for me too, so we don't do shoes that often. But All Saints, I saw these running between $20 and $40 on Poshmark, so super easy to list. One of my favorite prized possessions out of the houseware bins are these Hunter boots. They're size 5, but they're so cute. A good pair of rain boots. These are Hunter brand, not the Hunter for Target either. So also Kendra found this face mask. These are running about $40 online. I don't even know. How do you even put this on and clip it on? Oh, it clips on. Gotcha. Hockey mask, $40 on eBay, she said. And then, do you guys remember the little tiny quarter machines? This was in one of those like bubble things. Kendra found this. We're going to keep this. I think I'm going to make this like a tiny plant propagation. Isn't that adorable? Okay, so the second bag is all closed. I think almost everything in here is pretty much for profit. There might be a few t-shirts for me and my mom and Kendra. Who knows? This is really like the fun stuff. This is what I make my money on, mostly the clothes. So starting with this is a Land's End Hawaiian print button-down shirt. This is men's. I picked up a few men's things. This was just a cool little button-down shirt. These are Banana Republic men's 36 by 30 trousers and another pair of men's trousers, but these were Ralph Lauren. I always pick up Ralph Lauren if they're in good condition because Ralph Lauren sells well for us. Also picked up a DMX shirt. Kendra found this. It has a stain on it, but it's DMX and he passed away. So that's pretty cool. Brett Favre Number 4, I don't like to pick up kids because it's slow to sell and it's size small, super cute. Maybe just price it right. And on the way out, this Zumba sweatshirt hoodie. Make a few dollars on this. I have been only going to the bins twice a month. That's why my hauls are only like bi-monthly at this point. I mean, $67 for all this stuff. Victoria's Secret racer bra. Victoria's Secret always sells for me. Not always a huge profit, but definitely a good turnaround between $10 and $20. This is a Zara. Just a cute little top, not a big profit, but thought it looked cute, kind of in the peasant core. It's actually Oscar de la Renta, and it's a pink label. It's like a slip dress thing, silky. It's adorable, very early 2000s style. I actually thought this was like more of a Laura Ashley thing, but sports bra. This is from Reebok. Maybe Kendra will try this on and see if she likes this for hot yoga. Could be for her. I think. Do you like this? For yoga, yeah. Columbia brand, it's men's. Figured I'd pick it up, not sure, but a good PFG. $15 profit, hopefully. Okay, I found these diesel jeans. I'm hoping I can get some pretty penny from these. This little baby hat. How cute is this? Miami Dolphins. Another pair of pants. These are new tag, Old Navy. Not a huge profit, but these are so easy to list. This is the gold label from Victoria's Secret, and it is missing the waist belt, and it does have some paint on it, but I'm hoping to get $20 for this. The gold label from Victoria's Secret, look for it, sell it. It's a goodie. And this is a vintage 2XL, which I'm really excited about because vintage doesn't really run in plus size, but this is. It reminds me of a brand that I sold once called Jam's World, but this is actually Teddy. I saw some sellers on eBay selling this for between $30 and $50. Crew cashmere. Anything with cashmere, I buy, I sell. Put it in your description. Cashmere is one of those keywords that sells, and it sells very fast usually. I also found these pants on eBay. I think they were $30. Gen 7 for all mankind. They're an orchid print, but for some reason I feel like I kept seeing skulls, but on the listing they're an orchid print. And these Nike shorts, just a pair of black shorts. There's actually a brother pair that was gray, but they were peeling. Pick them up. This is actually for my mom. She's always looking for t-shirts, Pink Floyd. Very Y2K style. It's just a red little crop top. This is also Crazy Shirts. It's like a Hawaiian brand, extra large men's stuff. I love to buy men's sells. Guys know what they want. Guys know their size. They shop, they buy. Women's, we're a lot different when it comes to buying clothes. Another Nike, just a just a cute little sports bra. This in Sage. And now this is a very interesting print shirt. Kind of looks on the mature side of things. This is O'Neill. Extra large, super cute. Sweatshirt, short sleeve. I love extra large sizes. I love when I find them big because they sell. For pants, these are J. Crew. Finding comps between $25, but I'll take $25 for a pair of pants. UCF shirt. This is an extra large. One of my favorite shirts is actually the Russell brand, and this is actually one of the Russell brands, and it's an extra large. So I'm going to wash it and see. I told my mom I'd give it to her, but I think we're going to keep this for our house. Yes, Kendra's a nice UCF alumni, so I got another bodysuit. If you went and watched my last haul, I bought I think I bought 3 Express bodysuits at the bins. Well, I found another one today, and this is a medium. So Express bodysuits, Minnie Mouse headband. It's missing the tag, but I'm still very sure that we can sell this for something. Okay, this bag is not a brand, but how vintage and cool is this? I love to buy stuff like this. This is originally why I think I got into thrifting, is I love vintage. It's like a square bag. I love this. If I had this a few weeks ago when I went to my cousin's wedding, I probably would have taken this for my outfit instead. We got 2 Coach items. Kendra found one. She got a vintage Coach wallet. Found a Coach wristlet today at the bins. I'm not 100% sure if either are real, but I'm going to assume yes. And my last thing that I really am excited about, and I don't think that they're going to fit. I'm pretty sure these are kids, but these are Levi's orange tab. Now, kid stuff, once again, I don't sell, but I did find these on eBay for $30. Well, it's not a huge profit, but they're short, so they're not long jeans, but these are vintage. They're tapered fit. They say 10, so they might be a kid's 10. They might fit Kendra. They might fit me. I haven't tried them on. I'm not really a kid's 10, but I mean, this style is so awesome and they're vintage. That was my haul. I have a huge damn mess in my room right now. This is a mess. But Thanks for hanging out. Thanks for watching my haul. If you have questions, comments, concerns, drop them in the comment box below. Let me know. Tell me what was your favorite thing and tell me what you're looking for. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this thrift haul as much as I enjoyed shopping for this thrift haul. This was an entirety of $67, and I'm not even sure how many items. I'm going to count them and put them right here. And then I'll tell you. But that's probably like $1 or less per piece. If you've been excited about thrifting or you love thrifting and you've been trying to figure out if you can make money doing this, you can. Just get out there, just do it, and get to work, because I promise you, there's money to be made. Peace out. It's your girl Mad, and have a great day. Have a great day.